In just few seconds, you can transform your ordinary photos into stunning high-end edit to make a design like this using a powerful tool called Nik Collection 7 and Photoshop together. Nik Collection 7 is a powerful set of photo editing plugins by DxO for Photoshop and Lightroom. It offers advanced tools for color grading, black and white conversion, sharpening, noise reduction, and creative effects, helping photographers enhance images quickly and professionally. To get this tool, click the link in the description of this video, download it and install it on your PC. You will get a 30-day free trial. You can also use this code to get 15% off on your purchase. And here is the big news. One person will win the Nik Collection 7 license for free. Just make sure to watch the video till the end. I have already installed the tool on my PC. Now I will open the Photoshop and load the image I want to edit. When I upload the image, Nik Collection 7 automatically appears in my Photoshop. You can close or hide it if needed. Another way to access Nik Collection 7 is through the filter menu. Scroll to the bottom and you will find its option there. Now let's open Nik 7 Analog Efex, which is known for its vintage and unique filters. These can help photographers to create a vintage photo or retro effect very easily. On the left side, you will see all the filters and history options. On the right side, you will find the filter setting where you can adjust them as needed. Now let's apply the filter. Scroll down and I will select the toy camera filter. It's amazing. After applying it, many options will appear on the right side. You can adjust them as needed. I will make a few changes and there you go. Now let's compare the before and after. Looks amazing, right? Let's click to apply button. To make a rap song album cover like this, start by creating a new file with the right size. Then I'm gonna drag and drop the image I edited with the Nik Collection 7 filter into the new file. Now let's adjust the size and position of the image. First select the subject and press Ctrl and J to duplicate the selection. Then use the text tool to add your text. Duplicate the text using Ctrl and J and move it above layer 1. Set the text layer fill to 0%. Double click on the layer to turn on the stroke and adjust the color and size of the stroke. Now the outline text effect is ready. Duplicate the outline text and place it below. Next, I'm gonna import another image which is commonly used in rap album covers. And then adjust the size and position. Now merge all visual layers into one by pressing Shift, Ctrl, Alt and E together. Then go to the filter menu, choose Nik Collection 7 and select Analog Efex. Search for the Old English filter and click on it to apply. To improve the image further, adjust the settings. Start with basic adjustments. Scroll down to light leaks and pick the best one, adjusting the strength. Scroll again to dot and scratches for a vintage look. Adjust the film type. Then fine-tune levels and curves. Finally compare the before and after, and as you can see, it looks even better now. Creating a rap album cover like this used to take hours, but with Nik Collection 7 it's done in minutes. Let's try this on another design. As you can see, the design looks dull and lifeless. But with just one filter in Nik Collection 7, everything changes. Let me show you how. First, upload the image and go to the filter menu. Select Analog Efex and choose Double Exposure Filter. And just like that, the transformation happens. Now replace the image in the poster design. And voila! With a single click, this poster looks so much better than it did before. Now let me show you all the useful tools in Nik Collection 7 one by one. I have this picture and I want to enhance it using the Color Efex tool. Color Efex in Nik Collection 7 has many filters that improves colors, contrast and details. You can combine multiple filters and adjust them to create unique tones, vintage effects, or make colors stand out. I have this picture of a bodybuilder, but it doesn't look very refined. After applying the silver FX filter, the transformation is incredible. Every muscle pops with deep contrast and sharp details, making the physique look more defined and powerful. This tool is perfect for creating dramatic black and white edits that highlight every texture and shadow. Now let's check out HDR Efex in Nik Collection 7. I have this beautiful picture of a woman, but it looks lifeless. But using HDR Efex in Nik Collection 7 will bring back to life. Starting with the preset called Deep 1. And adjusting the tone, compression, detail, exposure, highlights, whites, blacks and structure sliders. The image became sharp and vibrant. The colors are now more intense and the details pop, giving the photo more dynamic and lifelike feel. HDR Efex proved to be the perfect tool to transform this basic photo into something special, adding depth and impact. The next tool is one of the most powerful and essential tools in a photographer's toolkit. After spending hours perfecting an edit, it's frustrating when social media platforms compress and reduce the sharpness of your image. That's where the Pre-Sharpener Output tool in Nik Collection 7 comes in. This tool adds sharpness to your image without making it look over-sharpened, preserving natural details and making your photos look crisp and professional even after uploading. Nik 7 Viveza is a powerful tool for precise color and tone adjustments. Instantly balance exposure, contrast, and saturation with easy-to-use global controls. Fine-tune a white balance for perfect color accuracy. You can use different presets that's already been tested and gives you amazing result. Whether you are enhancing landscapes, portraits, or street photos, Viveza ensures stunning professional result with minimal effort. Nik Collection 7 will change your photo editing game forever. As mentioned, one lucky viewer will win a free license of Nik Collection 7. To enter, simply like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. We will select a winner in 3 days. Plus, you can unlock 15% off in Nik Collection 7 with the discount code provided in the description. Explore the details below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.